Friends, welcome to youtube.com oblique Dr. Ved channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor Head, Veterinary Medicine. We discuss post-parturient hemoglobinuria or hypophosphatemia, important metabolic disease of cow and buffaloes. In part 5, we will discuss differential diagnosis and prevention of hypophosphatemia. We have already seen diagnosis. Now we'll see differential diagnosis. The important symptom we are finding is hemoglobinuria, means red urine. Now red urine is maybe due to two reasons. Hemoglobinuria, presence of hemoglobin in the urea, and hematuria, presence of blood in urine. So how to differentiate these two conditions? We can differentiate these two conditions by centrifugation of urine sample. If supernatant is red colored, then it is a hemoglobinuria. If supernatant is clear and not red color, then it is a hematuria. We can also differentiate by examination of this urine sample under microscope also. If there are no RBC, hemoglobinuria, presence of RBC, hematuria. Friends, many diseases are required to be differentiated. Here we will see infection group that cause the similar signs, red urine of the hypophosphatemia. Bacterial disease, anthrax, leptospirosis, bacillary hemoglobinuria. Virus, rinderpest, malignant cattle fever. Anaplasmosis, hemoprotozoan disease, babesiosis and thyroidosis. These are the important diseases. Certain poisonings are also confused with post-parturient hemoglobinuria, chronic copper poisoning, oxalate poisoning, that is ethylene glycol poisoning, many poisonous plants, rape, brassica or onion intoxication, cold water or water poisoning, salt poisoning, angiotic hematuria, that is Bracken fund poisoning. It is also a ornamental plant poisoning. Urinary tract disease also. In this disease, there is pathology. So blood is oozing out and appear in the urine, hemoglobinuria. The diseases are pyelonephritis, urolithiasis, urethritis, and cystitis are also confused with hypophosphatemia or postpartum hemoglobinuria. Certain other diseases are also confused with postpartum hemoglobinuria are angiotic nutritional muscular dystrophy, that is due to deficiency of selenium and vitamin E, drug-induced red urine, that is because of the phenothiazine drug, myoglobinuria, when the rupture of the muscle, azoturia is also called myoglobinuria, coffee colored urine. Blood transfusion reaction also causes the lysis of RBC, that also red color urine. Metabolic ketosis also sometimes confuse the symptoms of this hypophosphatemia or postpartum hemoglobinuria. Now we see the preventive aspect. Adequate dietary intake of phosphorus element. We are directly giving phosphorus element during the early lactation for a long time can prevent the disease. The ratio of calcium and phosphorus in diet must be 2 is to 1. It should not be less than 2 is to 1. It should be in proportion of 2 is to 1. Total mixed ration, so that mixed ration supply the balanced minerals, almost all mineral balance, and phosphorus also. Mineral supplements that also contain phosphorus, and that also correct the deficiency or prevent the disease. Prevention of postpartum hemoglobinuria continue. If feed is top dressed with phosphorus supplementation, that also prevents or corrects the phosphorus deficiency. Phosphorus supplementation can also be given in drinking water. The phosphorus salts add into the water and given to the animal for drinking. Copper gluconate also help to prevent the lysis of RBCs that we see in the treatment aspect. Certain plant contain toxins that cause lysis of RBCs are cruciferous plants, kale, beet, turnip, alfalfa. These plant toxins or containing plants that are dangerous that can cause the lysis of the RBCs, it must be removed from pasture or diet. Friends, we have seen here the different diseases that is confused with the postpartum hemoglobinuria, that on each and every one, if time permits, I will prepare video on that. So differential diagnosis, you can do it. Share this information to other veterinarians and to promote the channel. Requested to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much friends for observing this video. It is very helpful or to provide service for the life of animal for the benefit of the farmer. Requested to share information to all veterinarians.